How to use Uniswap with Metamask mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Uniswap with Metamask mobile. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to go and log into your Metamask account. When you're logged into your Metamask account, that's gonna take you to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. First of all, you need to buy an asset. Then you can proceed on with the Uniswap. So I'm gonna go ahead and press on buy Ethereum. So click on get started. You need to verify your identity. When you've actually done with that procedure, now you need to buy. So select either one of these method and then enter the credential. After you've done with the buying procedure, then you need to exit out of this page and then go to the home page one more time, and you have to go to the browsing tab. When you actually do this, it's gonna take you to the browser page. You have to just wait patiently. And then you need to go to Decentralized exchange, and when you select Decentralized exchange, you need to scroll down a bit and go to Uniswap section. Now you need to start with the Uniswap, so you have to go ahead and follow the prompt that will be mentioned clearly, and that's basically how you can use Uniswap with Metamask mobile. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.